Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Home Decorators Collection ceiling fan, a Celene or other model, and you need to replace the batteries in the remote. Now you might know you need to do this because the battery's dead, you might want to do it after a certain period of time, or you might be here because the remote is not working, the fan is not responding to the remote or something like that. Sort of a first troubleshooting step is to replace the batteries in it. The next thing is to kind of repair it, but we'll go over that in a second. So if you want to just replace the batteries, it's really easy. You're just going to come around to the back and put a little pressure on this case at the bottom and then just slide down. The compartment will open. And then you can take these batteries out and put your new AAA batteries in. If you don't have AAA batteries, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them. And then once you've got your two AAA batteries in there, just following the polarity shown on the remote, then you can go ahead and put the case back on and slide it back up, and you should be good to go. Now, if after you've done that, it's not working, you may need to repair or have the fan relearn to use this remote, and I'll put a link in the description to a quick video that shows you how to do that. But anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.